Well, good afternoon, guys. We have a project that we're finishing up here, Dad and I. This New Holland tractor had a issue with the seat, or with this base, I mean. It was all broke out underneath here. You take all this off and you flip it upside down, and underneath here was all broke out because these New Hollands are famous for breaking out underneath the seat. I get to finish hooking this deck up. We need a gauge wheel or a carrier wheel again. I think these are floating wheels. So I'm gonna see if I can't hook this PTO shaft up in here. That guy there for the center. So I'm gonna start with that guy there. Hook it up. That collar there, way back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then see if I can't get it up. There's really nowhere good to put you, but let me come up with something creative once here. Little tripod is nifty as I'll get out for small spaces and stuff like that. So we'll throw you up underneath there and see what we can come up with. Okay, so I hope you're seeing something. I'm going to hook his PTO up now. I'm going to hook his PTO up, and it is not fun to do. Of course, on the wrong gosh darn side, because the transmission filter's in the way. And I want to see if these arms will go up in. Yeah, they went up quite a bit because this thing, it's got a tendency to want to drift down. And okay, so where am I at? Right? I just had to be bumped. Darn it! And of course, I got the camera right in the way, right to work. But if this thing there, just like that. What I'm gonna do is line the back up with these holes. I'm gonna stop there. Oh man. So it needs to roll that way a little more. Okay, so I got one in. That's all that these are, just these spring-loaded handles here that you pull out and then you lay back like this, and then the deck comes off. And then they just push right back in. And then there's these front ones here that are on a spring. They do the same thing. These fronts, they go in here like this, and then this hooks up here like that. Okay, so we get this thing not greased, put in here. A little help from a pry bar to get this one and that front corner one. That one up there hooked up. It took a little finagling with a pry bar. Guess now is with some grease in these. Are you kidding? Well, I think he might have greased that PTO, because that is why that grease gun is there. Probably would be my guess, is because is because he put grease in that PTO when the deck was off. I gotta go buy me a lock and lubies. Darn ends won't stay on here for nothing. It occurred to me that this one doesn't have the grease fitting on top of the pulley, but you go over here to this end and it's got it on top of the pulley on this end, which it doesn't make a bit of sense. There, it's seated on. And just a few shots of grease is all it needs. I will say one good thing about these Lincoln grease guns is it's got a I don't know if it's a battery indicator there or a grease indicator. Either way, it's really stinking handy, whatever heck that little gauge is there. And it's got a built-in light with it. As you can see right there on tractor tire, so you can see what you're greasing. That's something that the DeWalt grease gun doesn't have. One of the things that I do remember to do is to take the battery out and charge it, because I've wanted to use this greaser so many times and it not want to work because of a dead battery. So that is that. But you can't go wrong for a 16-year-old tractor. I was 10 when we bought it, at 25 now, so you do the math. 16 years that we've had this tractor, and I'll show you the hours on it. For those of you that are curious, this is a pretty high hour tractor, 900. Holy cow, 900 hours. Am I seeing that right? Just a minute. Yep, 906 hours. Holy cow. Yeah, that's a lot of hours. Yeah. I don't know what is a lot of hours on these tractors, but 900 is a lot. So if you guys enjoy this video, thanks for watching, and please leave your suggestions, comments in the comment section below on other videos you would like to see. Thanks for watching.